urine formation. It involves 3 steps. First is glomerular filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Glomerular filtration is filtration of blood through glomerular region. It occurs through 3 layers because of the pressure of blood vessels in glomerular region. The 3 layers involved in the filtration are endothelium of glomerular blood vessels, epithelium of Bowman's capsule and a basement membrane which is between these 2 membranes. This filtration is also known as ultrafiltration because when this filtration occurs, all the constituents of the plasma are filtered except for protein. Only protein is retained. That's why this filtration is also known as ultrafiltration. Glomerular filtration rate is the amount of filtrate made up by kidney in a minute. That is, amount of filtrate by kidney per minute is known as GFR. It is 125 ml per minute and 1.8 liters per day. JGA is an apparatus which is responsible for the maintenance of glomerular filtration. It keeps a check on glomerular filtration. It is cellular modification present in DCT. When glomerular filtration rate decreases, GJA gets activated, thus releasing renin, and this renin in turn increases glomerular blood flow, hence increasing or taking it up to the level, hence maintaining GFR. Second step is reabsorption and then is tubular secretion. You can see in the diagram how and through which parts of the nephron tubular reabsorption is taking place and from which parts the secretion is occurring. Reabsorption. Tubular epithelial cells of nephron are involved in reabsorption. They reabsorb through 2 mechanisms, that is passive or active. Tubular secretion. Certain tubules secrete H plus ions, K plus and ammonia. These secretions are important in maintaining ionic and acid base balance.